On your Garmin Tactix or Garmin Fenix, you can add any external sensor that is Bluetooth or ANT+. For doing so, you're gonna need to press and hold the menu button, and you will go down to Sensors and Accessories. From here, you can add New and simply search for all sensors. Now just wait for a few seconds, and if you have a compatible device nearby, it will show up just right there. If it don't show up, just maybe change the batteries and activate it. If it's a power sensor, if it's a cadence sensor, if it's an HR sensor like this one, put it on you. Maybe put a little bit of saliva on it, and or just move a little bit, and it should activate it. Otherwise it may be on sleep. So once you find it like this one, you can select it and it will be connected in few seconds, just like that. So now if I press this, I can enable or disable it. I can get some information maybe about it, and I can also add a name to it. Actually, this is an HR sensor, so as you can see now, because it is connected, well, I should see my actual earth rate. Is it still enabled? Go down here and it's say connected. So yes, maybe in the next few seconds, yes, I can see now my heart rate without having it on my wrist. Technically, if I remove it, well, yeah, actually there is not enough sweat, so it can't count well. But if I disconnect it, or if it just go too far from the watch, the heart rate at the back will be re-enabled. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.